Hey everyone! If you're getting an invalid zip code error on Cash App, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, open your Cash App. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Support. On the support page, tap on Account and Settings. Then, scroll again and select Edit Personal Information. This is where you can check and update your zip code if needed. If you're still getting the error, go back to the Edit Personal Information section, scroll to the bottom, and tap Chat under Contact Us. Here, type a short message explaining the issue. Just say something like, "Hi, I'm getting an invalid zip code error even though my information is correct. Can you help me fix this?" Then send it and wait for the support team to respond. They'll help you sort it out. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App invalid zip code error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.